Okay, sorry about that. I'm going to do a quick review on Spice World Minced Garlic. My roommates buy this all the time. I think they get it at Walmart. Yeah, Walmart or Kroger's, but I think at Walmart. I think that's where they bought the last time they went. They got this a couple days ago. I think they're around Walmart. You get a little jar of it. 8-ounce jar of it. What the lid looks like. Inside of it looks like what it looks like. But it's strong. Definitely good. Strong garlic smell to it. Okay, I'm back. They got, let's see if we got any nutritional. You get serving size, a teaspoon, 45 servings per jar. You get 5 calories. 1 gram of total carbohydrates. And that's pretty much it with the nutritional value. It's pretty convenient. It saves you a lot of trouble of go when you get by garlic and have to mince it all up by yourself. You just open it up and spoon out whatever amount you want to add to whatever you're cooking to. Whatever you want to have garlic, add garlic to that you're cooking. It's definitely, like I said, it's definitely got a strong odor of garlic to it when you have it open. It's pretty convenient. Pretty convenient little thing to have if you like garlic. I like garlic, but I like a lot of it in my food. People, roommate and kids like having a lot of garlic in their food. Oops. I had the lid on tight. A little bit of juice on my hand. Like I said, it's a pretty convenient little product. You can open up, take whatever you want out of it, and just refrigerate whatever's left in the jar that you're not using. It says it's fat free. It's like I said, it's pretty convenient. Pretty convenient little thing to buy if you like garlic in your food. Saves you trouble having to mince it all up by hand. All you gotta do is just get it out to whatever you want, and take a spoon, get whatever amount of garlic you want out of the jar to add to your food. This is the Spice World Minced Garlic. Like I said, I think my roommates get this at Walmart. Either Walmart or Kroger's. I know they ain't product would save a lot. I've been checked there. It's probably the Walmart or Kroger's. The 2 other stores they do a lot of grocery shopping at. It might be available in other stores too, but I don't know.